Hey there, folks. This is David and Nick again here for Get Hooked App. And one of the things I wanted to show you today has to do with how we manage complexity. And what do I mean by that? Well, when you start to get a bunch of your data into the application, something like this, you're going to see there's a lot of tracks, there's a lot of waypoints, and this could be hundreds, if not thousands, of different points of information on the map. And when you start to think about things like, well, now I'm going to have favorites on there, right? You can have all kinds of different favorites. You can also have, other types of data on your map. It gets to be a lot to deal with. And so some of the things that we do to help you manage that has to do with clustering. So for example, you can see on here the numbers where it says 90 right there in the middle. But when you start to zoom in, you can see it starts to break out into different types of points. And the more you zoom in, you can see the more it starts to break it out. And that's called clustering. And that's what we use to try to help you manage your data on the map so that you just don't see a giant blob of all these points on your map. It helps to start organize your information into human readable data points that makes it a little bit easier to visualize. We also put some smart things. You'll notice here on the right, there's a camera. And so you can hit that and it'll show you only points on the map where you've assigned camera data or pictures. And so again, that's one thing that helps you limit the information that you see to help you make sense of it. And then whenever you toggle it off. Now, another thing that we added here is it's fairly smart. So if you notice, whenever I navigate off the screen, like so, where there's no camera data or photos, the camera icon shuts off. So it knows whether you have pictures or not. And again, that's just one of the ways that we use to help you manage the complexity of your information.